Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to decorate your graduation cap like this. So if you're interested, just keep watching and click that subscribe button. Okay, the materials you need are some small foam letters. You can get them from Michael's, some border, some rhinestones and decorative pieces, some pictures from Walgreens, a hot glue gun, flowers, spray on Elmer's glue, and your cap. Okay, the first thing you're gonna do is take your cap and lay it flat in the middle of the piece of paper you're gonna use as your background. I got this paper from Michael's, and you're just gonna outline the basically shape of the cap in the middle because you're gonna cut the excess paper off so that it's not hanging off the sides. Now I'm just gonna go through the pictures that I got from Walgreens and see what I have. I printed a total of 11 and I'm gonna start cutting them out. Now I'm going to take the two pieces that I have to use as border and lay them around the paper to see how I want them to look. The sequin one that I have is actually from Michael's and it's fabric tape. So now I'm going to take the rhinestone one and just stretch it out and place it on the paper. And I actually decided to fold it in half and cut it because it was too thick. Now I'm going to use the Elmer's spray glue to lay down the fabric tape because it adheres better with it. And I'm just going to lay it on both sides. Don't worry if it's excess, just cut it off at the end. And now I'm going to use the hot glue actually to lay down the rhinestones because it's actually thick rhinestone tape. And I needed to lay down with something more thicker other than the Elmer's glue. Take the foam letters that I have and start placing them at the top and the bottom of the paper, and I'm going to use a ruler to make sure that they lay straight and not crooked. So yeah, make sure you take a step back and make sure still that the letters aren't crooked because it'll look crazy if you don't. Now I'm going to use a pencil to trace out a letter U because there was only one U in the pack, so now I have to make one, and I'm going to use the rhinestones to make that letter. So it actually creates like this contrast look, and it actually turned out really cute. Now I'm going to go through the pictures that I cut out and place them around the paper to see how I want them to lay. It's all up to you what pictures you want to use. I personally use baby pictures of me and pictures of me now. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And then I'm going to use the pieces that I'm going to use as decorations and just place them around the paper and see how I want them to look. And I also got these little pictures of pills since I'm going into nursing, and I'm going to place them around the paper as decorations also. So you guys, I actually forgot to add the hole for the button, so I went back in with a razor and cut the hole for the button for my tassels to stick out. And I added rhinestones because I actually cut the hole too big. But this is what it looked like in the end. I actually really liked it, and I hope you guys did too. So thank you for watching. See you guys next video. Bye.